sitting round feeling down in the dumps. Found joy in nature, out busting his rum to share his joy with others. This is what he wants. His name is Jolly, and these are his jaunts. Yoo-hoo! Well, howdy, folks. Jolly Green Giant checking in here. What an evening for a paddle. I'm out on saltwater marsh right now, and it is calm as can be. Nice and foggy. I have my headlamp on for when it gets dark here. So, a great thing about beach paddling, these saltwater marshes is, a great thing about the saltwater marshes is that the tide's coming in right now. So I launch in an hour beforehand. And then I enjoy it for an hour. I let the tide push me in. Not that it's like pushing hard or anything. There's no real current at this time. But I get it up as far as I can reach, which in this case, it eventually connects up to, like, it's a freshwater river. And, I'll get to go under this little bridge if the tide's high enough. And I'll turn around there. It'll depend, because of course, I say it like it's a common known fact, but with the tides, the moon affects how high the tide is. So it's not like the tide's at this constant height all the time. In a previous video, I talked about the lines on the beach and the wood and straw and stuff that you see on the beach, or seaweed, or whatever it might be. And the lowest line is the last tide, but you can see higher lines. The great thing about launching at a time like this is that there's no waves. And generally, I've found on the ocean that early morning, late at night, or late evening is when the wind calms down. Otherwise, it can be quite wavy, and it is hard to get into kayak when there are a lot of waves. I still haven't mastered it. Now, if we're really lucky here. Oh, yeah. We just found it. So this is like this, I don't know, it's air trapped under the water, I've been told. And I hope you can hear it on the video. But it's just bubbles out. It's really cool. It's like you're in a kettle. Awesome. Let's see if I can show it to you. Yeah. Maybe zoom in a little bit here. Oh, headlamp, that's right. Let's solve this problem. Okay, let's see what I can do here. Set this back down here for a second. Oh, I can hear see some over here. There's a few mesquites out, some mosquitoes. Let's get together. Oh, yeah, here we go. Now, I might be able to see it. I can get a little bit of it. super cool. Oh, yeah, check this. Very interesting, huh? There's some sort of name for it that... Well, that'll be my homework. Anyway, moving for a night paddle. Hope you all have a great evening. Peace. Jolly Green. Check it in. See you later. Light back off. Get these mosquitoes away from me. Awesome. All right. Peace. All right. I've reached the end of the run. It is some foggy out here. Holy moly. There's this bridge here. I wonder. See a house over there. But pretty much at the end, once you get to the other side of this bridge, it becomes fresh water. And I need to get out of here before I lose the tide, because, well, you can see the line right there. That's how much the tide's gone down already. Which means I need to hurry back. That is a place where I believe they fill fire engines, something like that. And it is a place that I have put in before. When I'm riding the other way. Ooh, little hummingbird birds. I just don't want to get pooped on. Sorry, birds. All right. Whoop. The rock. Get turned around. Get lost a few times in the marsh there, but hopefully now that I'm going back, it'll be easier to see. We shall see what we shall see. One way or another, I'll make it. All right, everyone. Peace.